Hey everyone, so images in Frame are relatively straightforward. You can bring in two types of images, .png or .jpeg files. PNGs can be transparent. This can be a handy way to actually bring in text. This is actually an image here, this streams label. It just has a transparent background. To bring an image in, you can either use the Add to this frame dropdown, or you can add it to your inventory first and then bring it in right from your inventory. So I'll go ahead and bring in this image. Once an image is inside of your frame, if you're in edit mode, which you can do from the sidebar, you can click and drag to move it around. And if you click it once, a menu will appear down here that'll let you scale it up and rotate it. You can also put a link on an image if you want it so that when a user clicks on the image, it takes you to an external website, takes them to an external website. You can do that. Or you can have it linked to another scene within your frame. So if this frame were to have two scenes, and I go back to scene one, you will see that you can put a link on it, link to scene, and then you can pick what scene you'd like it to appear on. Okay, that's pretty much it for images. Again, PNG or .jpeg, and the file size limit is 10 megabytes. If your images are too big, I recommend compression tools that will kind of get their file size down. All right, good luck.